So it's currently 7:40 in the morning in LA.
Hi.
We're at the airport. Checked into the Southwest. We've got everything after an exciting night at Crown Plaza Hotel.
It was lovely.
We'll see you on the other side. So Laura, what did we just do then?
We need to take our shoes off for the conveyor belt. For security.
How fun is that?
Everyone does. Okay, I love you.
Yep.
We learn something every day. Here we are, Sam. What are you happy about?
We are in Chicago. We're driving up to the air show in Oshkosh.
Yay! What else are you thankful for?
We got charged 42% tax for picking up at the airport, which was like $500 US. And then
That was a blow to the bank.
And then we went to the car hire collection point, and they said, "I'll grab any car." And we almost had the same car we had before, but then some other guy got to it, and we had this old Sentra, and we started driving out, and it wasn't working. Well, it was working, but it wasn't working with me. And so we went back inside. I drove it back. We did a U-turn, went back, and I said, "Yeah, we need a car with Android Auto." That was an excuse at least. And then the guy said, "Which car do you want? Do you want an SUV, sedan, whatever?" I said, "Yep, SUV sounds good." So here we are, in a Nissan something.
Sam's a very happy person now.
Yep, check it out.
Is this what you want me to film?
Yeah.
Did it? So it feels like 3:30 to us. It's actually 5:30. We just got off the plane before. We haven't had lunch, so we're gonna go have lunch, which will end up being dinner as well. Yay for time change! Woohoo! We're off on the next adventure, and we're so excited, so thankful for what has been, and can't wait for Oshkosh, this drive, dinner, and fun. Anything else to say, Sam?
That's all.
See you later.
A Del Taco. Oh my goodness.
Hello. Wait, what did you say, Sarah?
This is crazy.
Oh, maybe I'll get tacos.
This is crazy.
She's chocolate shake. Oh, so nice. This is also a celebration. I feel look at one.
Oh,
Sorry,
yeah.
we're just having a look. What's our budget?
10 max. What do you think it?
A meal.
Yeah, me too.
That just sounds good, but they might be flimsy.
What's that? Can I get the king meal deal? Is that?
The two sandwiches, right, with the fried and drink?
Yep. Let's get a cheeseburger and a chicken. Yeah. Do you want to get that as well? Oh, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, that's much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. can have so much fun. Yes, please.
Do you want whipped cream for your shake?
Yes, please.
What am I?
The 14
Just on card, thank you.
You couldn't say this.
Oh, once again, you went
Do you have PayPal? Sorry.
Oh.
Is that going to work for us? No, let's go. One more time. Let's go.
Once again, you went a lot cheaper than me, sorry.
Let's go. Do not remember card. It said that at one place and I pulled it out. And she was like, sorry, I don't remember. I was like, oh, I'm sorry, my bad. Did you get a drink? Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm doing this at every fast food place. What's that? Oh, it's a receipt. Wow. Oh wait, crap. How's your drink, Laura?
One of the best drinks I've ever had. A Twix shake. It's so good.
Here at Burger King, get your burgers. Free burgers.
Yeah.
And then we're out of Coke Zero, so I got raspberry Fanta.
We're going to Wisconsin.
So we've driven 3 hours up from Chicago and we've made it to EAA Oshkosh.
Yay!
We've just found out that one of the main shows for tonight has just finished, but they have 2 other. So I was just listening to what it sounded like a plane. They've got 2 other things happening with just 2 small movies later tonight. So we'll come from tomorrow and the day after.
And Sam, where are we staying tonight?
We're staying at a university, Oshkosh University.
Ah, so cool!
Yeah, so we're gonna head there now.
I'm so excited.
We've arrived at the air show and we're just going to a thrift store to have a look for a couple of things, some seats, and maybe a fan. Alright, let's go have a look. I'm going to take that.
It's alright. It's okay. It was alright. Sam, have you found the chair? Have you found the perfect chair?
I think so.
Ready for the air show.
Did you find your chair, Laura?
I did. Little cooler
And some
bag
hats.
holder.
Alright, let's roll. Got this whole area of chairs and hats and even binoculars. So we got some fun hats from the thrift store and our chairs. Now we're doing the massive walk down to the entrance. If we'd gotten here earlier, we could get an easier and closer park, but we didn't.
We just needed a little bit of a sleep in.
Yeah, so tomorrow morning we'll come a bit earlier and get a better park.
But it means we get to see the whole place as we walk through.
It does. Here we go. So we got our wristbands, and now we're going on a school bus.
I'm so excited to go on a school bus.
It's not. No, there
Yay! And we've got our schedule and everything. We're officially ready. Here I am. Hello.
we go. Here we go. Line for buses. Man, that's classic.
We're staying at the uni. We're going jumping on school buses. We're truly locals.
It really likes you. There we go. Hey, stop it. So, we're in. Now it likes me. And stop it. Hold on. Turn off thing. So we're in. This is our first day. And there's planes everywhere. Absolutely everywhere.
And we've already got a free bag and some free fans, which is so great. So we're just having a walk through now to see what's
I just
around.
stopped it. And something's leaking. Yeah. Oh, the lid wasn't on.
Sorry, I just assume it's always on, but I
That's
forget
okay.
that you take it off.
Jack's a little wet, that's alright.
I forget you take it off.
That's okay.
It's not quite what we normally do.
That is okay. Wow, this is crazy.
As you mentioned in the video, there's also a STEM component to the flight. Robert, we appreciate you taking the time to come back from your adventure. Good luck with the flight.
It hasn't been 4 years and my son got after fixing it on the day. I think that's a testament to the design and the building. The designers now thought was actually a genius. You really get credit for a lot of stuff he designed. I put the magic going around all over the plane.
It was an awful small cockpit because he is.
Oh, you gotta be close friends.
Yes.
Exactly.
It is. If not, my name's Jeff.